Put aside the question of why Israel would want to kill a man where, if they were ever found out, they'd risk a war that could very well wipe Israel straight off the map. How would it work? What would the mechanics be? Once you start asking those questions instead of spreading skillfully crafted innuendo, then you quickly realize the whole conspiracy collapses in on itself. It simply can't sustain its own assumptions because it requires the perpetrators to be simultaneously omnipotent super agents and also incredibly idiotic at the same time. Not to mention the best secret keepers of all time, in numbers that, as you're about to find out, defy all mathematical odds. For example, imagine that you're in charge of Mossad, the intelligence service for the state of Israel, where you spend most of your time planning operations against Hamas, Hezbollah, Iran, and so on. And then one day, while you're busy managing all those things, you receive a strange new assignment from the highest levels of the Israeli government, working in tandem possibly with Egypt and the French and the CIA, of course, or some variation thereof, and you're told that you guys must carry out the execution of Charlie Kirk. Put aside the question of why Israel would want to kill a man where, if they were ever found out, they'd risk a war that could very well wipe Israel straight off the map. As the leader of Mossad, let's pretend that's just above your pay grade. So your sole responsibility now is to murder the founder and leader of Turning Point USA, which incidentally just helped elect Donald Trump, who was easily the most pro-Israel president that I have seen in my lifetime. So if you were given this order, how would you execute it?